So that's a really key attribute for you to have the success that you would want as an IT project manager. Develop stakeholder management skills. You know, family, when you have an opportunity to really, because projects, people keep forgetting what the main core of projects is, and it's really people. People are the ones that really help drive projects. And I know I got some of my smart people out there. Well, what about AI? Okay, yeah, I know, but I'm saying in general, family, that normally people are the ones that participate and help assist and lead projects. So you want to be able to identify, analyze, and engage IT projects, including the users, the sponsors, just like you would if it was a non-IT project. But what's unique about this is with what I learned in being in IT is that you have to bring people together. But it's going to be imperative that you do it when you're leading your project. So having the ability to really lead your stakeholders, really inspire, influence, equip your stakeholders to have the success that they're looking for is going to be key.